Hey, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you my 99-cent shout out. So I will shout out your channel. So if you take a look, I have a member shout out. So if you click over here, view all, you will see everyone who paid $1 for me to shout them out. And then if you click under playlist, you can see some samples. So under playlist, I'll have 16 videos so far where it says shout out members 99 cents. Big shout out to CJ from Miss Todoric. And let me show you a few. So I take a look at your profile, any content, and I kind of match the music that would kind of go with what you have. My advice. Hey, it's Miss Todoric. Big shout out to Alex and this channel. So some students, you guys don't have too much content. I would add some content, and I would also include your other social media links. That way I could follow you on like Instagram or TikTok, and you can do that in your YouTube studio. Who else do we have? So Jamisha, hey you. Then we have Brayden, big shout out. We have Bobby Young, Ella Grace. And then you have the long list here. And I am still working on adding, I think there's a couple more. So if you click on my channel and just go to like videos, or it's something recent, so you'll see they're all shorts. So if you click on shorts, then you'll see like the most recent. So these shout outs were today. And if you click on it, hi, this is Miss Todoric. This guy had content so I could use, and then I had some music kind of related to his channel. Shout out to Jaja. I don't know you, but love your channel, love your content, keep posting.
I'm a Betty,
Miss Todoric with a shout out to Fatty Domo. Go subscribe. Sometimes I'll use my voice, other times I'll just play some music.
Let's go.
And that's pretty much it. So you can get your shout out for 99 cents. And then what I'll do is eventually I'll just make a long video like I did here, where you can take a look at that video. And then here you'll have a long list. And I'll ask all my students to subscribe to this. So they can just go ahead and click. These are all the members. And you just click on it. And then easily, like, I subscribe to everyone. All right. So thanks for watching. Shout out your channel. Let's support one another. I shout out my students for free, obviously. And those are down here, student YouTube channels. We support and love. So these are all my students, previous students. And then if you click on view all, you'll see I've worked at many high schools previous to the one I'm at. So you'll see a ton of YouTubers, student YouTubers, and a lot of them have graduated. So if you can scroll down, there's probably like over 300 student YouTubers here that I've had as students. And now we have just shout outs, just random, a lot of students throughout the United States, just students who kind of take the similar classes that we're doing and just supporting our channel. So we support them. It's all about, it's not easy. YouTube, being a student entrepreneur,